Guys, guys, I wasn't even trying to do this, but I got it for the first time ever. One of the rare R46, or like one of the rare door chimes. Car number 6044 on an N train. Watch this. I'm gonna close the doors. Here's the rare door chime sound in 3, 2, 1. Oh, there you go. The rare door chime sound. Oh my goodness. I wasn't even trying to get this. And I actually got it. What? I didn't even want to do it on an N train. Like, I wanted to get it on like an R train or something, but nope. I got it. I didn't even want to get it at 53rd Street, but I got it at 53rd Street. And you know what? Yep, celebrating this special occasion that I finally got the rare door chime R46, we're gonna take this N train express. That's right, we got the Diamond N bullet on. And the game is pretty laggy. It's not really loading. It's not good. Yeah, this isn't gonna be a driving video. It is just a show off of the rare door chime. Like, I still can't believe I got it. Anyways, I think we'll end the video at 39th Street Stock Exchange. Because, like I said, it's not going to be a driving video. Even though I would love for this to be a driving video, it's not going to be a driving video. Still hasn't loaded. That's not really good. Alright, there we go. 39th Street Stock Exchange, where we will end the video. This is where we recorded the last video when we saw that R211P admin train wrap. Yeah, we're back here at 39th Street Stock Exchange. Alright, that is going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you guys on the next video. Peace out. Oh, wait, hold on. I forgot to say, stand clear of the closing doors. Alright, now peace out.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.